My name is Jamie Shaw and I'm Technical Specialist for Whole Vehicle Sustainability at Jaguar Land Rover. I've been with Jaguar Land Rover for 2 years. My responsibilities include understanding specific market requirements for where we sell the vehicles, any customer expectations on environmental performance related to the vehicle, and any legal requirements that we need to make sure we comply with. A good example of an environmental requirement coming from the customer would be the desire in China to have a vehicle that doesn't smell like a new car. We'd work with the designers and the engineers to make sure the materials and components used in the cabin are free from any allergens. Sustainability in the automotive industry is absolutely fundamental to its future success. We've got to make sure that the vehicles are fuel efficient and providing consumers with a means from getting to A to B in a fuel efficient manner, but that we're also considering all of the materials that we use right from the initial design conception, and that we're considering the whole life impacts of the vehicle and all of the materials and components used. Aluminium is very important to Jaguar Land Rover. We've used the material for many years now. The benefits predominantly around the lightweight element of aluminium compared to other materials. Lightweight materials give us a benefit in the use phase of the vehicle, making the vehicles lighter obviously but more fuel efficient, therefore you can use a smaller engine and the consumers can save money. By using life cycle assessment in the initial design phase of our vehicle development, we can understand the environmental impacts through raw material use, manufacture and production, the vehicle in use through to final disposal. Aluminium gives us a significant benefit because though it's energy intensive to produce, we get that benefit back in the use phase by making the vehicles more fuel efficient. The next stage is to try and use recycled aluminium, which is up to 95% less energy intensive than virgin aluminium, and therefore we're getting a benefit throughout the whole life cycle of the vehicle. Customers expect the vehicles that they buy from Jaguar Land Rover to have been intelligently engineered. By using life cycle assessment, we can influence the design and engineering of the whole vehicle. I studied environmental management at the University of Leeds. I joined part of the old British Aerospace and worked there for about 6 years. After leaving there, I joined the world of Formula One and worked for the Honda Racing Formula One team. And prior to joining Jaguar Land Rover, I worked for Atkins, the large design engineering consultancy. My favourite subject at school was geography. I think I enjoyed geography the most because I learnt a lot about the world, different environmental impacts affecting different regions on the planet, and that's obviously something that I've continued in my career. My advice to anybody at school these days would be to enjoy your time at school, make sure you work hard and think about what you might like to do in the future. And I think my career path to date is an example that you can achieve pretty much anything you want to.